Are you frustrated because your Facebook Marketplace listing is under review? You're not alone. Hi, and welcome to the Tutorial Lab. In this video, we're going to break down exactly why Facebook reviews your listings, and most importantly, how you can fix the problem and get your listing approved quickly. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the reasons why Facebook reviews marketplace listings. There are several factors at play here. 1. Policy violations. Facebook has strict community standards and commerce policies. If your listing violates these, such as selling restricted items like weapons, counterfeit goods, or animals, it'll be flagged for review. 2. User reports. Another common reason is user reports. If someone reports your listing, Facebook takes that seriously and starts a review process. 3. Quality control. Facebook sometimes conducts random checks to maintain a safe and reliable platform. Even if your listing is fine, it could be reviewed as part of their routine. 4. New accounts. If your account is new or hasn't built a trustworthy reputation yet, you're likely to face stricter scrutiny. 5. Automated detection. Finally, Facebook uses AI to scan for certain keywords, images, or patterns. Sometimes, innocent listings are flagged by mistake. Now that we know why this happens, let's move on to the solutions. How to fix a Facebook Marketplace listing under review. Here's what you can do to resolve this issue and get your listing approved. 1. Review Facebook's policies. Before posting, double-check that your listing complies with Facebook's community standards and commerce policies. You can find these on Facebook's official help center. 2. Check your notifications. Facebook usually sends you a notification if your listing is flagged. Open the notification to understand what's wrong and follow any steps provided. 3. Edit your listing. If you notice anything that could be flagged, like banned keywords or unclear images, edit your listing and resubmit it for review. 4. Be patient. Most reviews are completed within 24 to 48 hours. However, if it takes longer, don't panic. 5. Contact Facebook support. If your listing is stuck under review for an extended period, you can report the issue directly to Facebook support. They may provide more insight or expedite the process. By understanding these reasons and following these steps, you can ensure your Facebook Marketplace listings get approved faster and with less hassle. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more easy-to-follow guides. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.